Hi, today is week 17 of kindergarten, and we're going to write some sentences together. Do you have your paper and pencil ready to go? Okay, today we're going to write the sentence, hit the ball, and we're going to write, I can play. The first sentence is hit the ball. Will you say that with me? Hit the ball. What is the very first word in this sentence? Hit. Good job. Will you sound it out with me? It. Good. What do we put at the beginning of a sentence always? Always, always, always. A capital letter. So we have to make that capital. So here we go. Uses all the space. It. Good job. Hit. What's next? The. Sound it out with me. E. This is our. Okay, we're going to put our finger down to make a space. We're going to scoot over and write E. We have hit the, what's next? Ball. Give me the sounds. Here we go. B, ah, o, o. This is our a, ah. Here we go. So we put our finger down and make a space. And we write b, ah, o, o. Hit the ball. Is there another word in our sentence? No, this is the end. So what do we need to put at the end? A period. What if you were excited about it? Would you put an exclamation point? An exclamation point is a line that doesn't quite go all the way down and then a dot at the end. That means you're super excited about it. You're yelling, hit the ball! Okay? All right, read it with me. Hit the ball. Good job. The next sentence we're going to write is I can play. Say that with me. I can play. The first word is I. Sound it out. I. Okay. What do we have to do at the beginning of a sentence always? We have to put a capital letter. So guess what? Has to be I. Our I is special because no matter where it is in the sentence, it has to be capitalized. I. All right, the next word is can. Sound it out with me. N. Okay, so we're going to put a space, scoot over, and we're going to write N. I can, what's the next one? Play. Give me the sounds. P, O, A. All right, we're going to put our finger down to make a space. Move over and write P, O, A. If you're excited about playing, I can play. What would you put at the end of your sentence? An exclamation point. So let's do that on this one to practice writing our exclamation point. A line that starts at the top, almost comes to the bottom, and then our period. Okay, read the sentence. I can play. Good job. Let's read both of these sentences. Hit the ball. I can play. Good job. Draw me a picture that matches these sentences and then share your work with me. Good job. Bye-bye.